In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Microsoft Loop workspace. Renaming a workspace is a quick way to keep your projects organized and easy for your team to find, especially as priorities shift or a project's scope becomes clearer. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your work or school account. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main Loop homepage. This is the dashboard that shows your recent content and, most importantly for this task, your list of workspaces. If you've navigated deeper into a page or component, just head back to the home view so you can see the workspace tiles. Next, find the workspace tile you want to rename. Tiles appear as cards with the workspace name, and they usually include a colored icon. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Check the visual icon and the current title to avoid changing the wrong workspace, especially if several have similar names. Now hover your mouse over that tile. As you do, you'll see additional controls appear. Look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu, and click it. If you're on a touch device, a quick tap on the tile may reveal the same menu. This menu contains actions specific to that workspace. From the menu, choose Rename and Style. This opens a small panel or dialog that lets you adjust how the workspace appears to you and your collaborators. You'll see a field for the title and an option to change the icon or color so your workspace stands out at a glance. Type in the new title you want to use. Aim for something concise and descriptive so your teammates instantly understand what lives in this space. If your organization has naming conventions, follow those here to keep everything consistent. If you want, pick a new icon or color that matches the theme of the project. This visual cue can make scanning your workspace list much faster. When you're happy with your changes, click the Update button to save. You should see the tile refresh with the new name and any style updates right away. The change is applied to the workspace itself, so everyone who has access will see the updated title. If you don't see the Rename and Style option, you might not have permission to manage that workspace. In that case, contact the workspace owner or an administrator. That's all it takes. By updating the name and style, you keep your Loop environment clean, clear, and easy to navigate, helping your team stay aligned with minimal effort.